What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Hot Topic exclusive IT Series 2 Mystery Minis. So I went over to Hot Topic this morning and I was able to pick up a fresh case. So hopefully I'm able to get something good inside of the case. We'll find out in a little bit, but basically I'm going to be showing you what the Mystery Minis look like, a general layout of what most will be, and then I'm going to give you the weights of the ones that are in my case. So if I get some good ones and I have the weights to them, so hopefully you yourself can pick them up. So alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here is the case of the minis. Pretty nice packaging. Yeah, basically this is the case. I'm going to be unboxing it. I'm going to put the top row over here on the left and the bottom row over here on the right. Alright, so I'm going to start with the front left box. Let's get into it. Front one. I'm not gentle. This one is super heavy, guys. Oh man. So, wow. So this one is the Pennywise with balloons. And that is a lot of balloons. So yeah, Pennywise with balloons. Front right on the top. Yeah, this is definitely the same exact one, and he's a 1 in 6. So yeah, if you guys already have this one and you guys feel a super heavy one, definitely you'll know which one it is. So this one doesn't even want to stand up, so I'm gonna lay him down. Okay, so next up is the middle top left. Pretty light. And this one is with the skateboard. This is the 1 in 12 Hot Topic exclusive. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. I do not know his name. I'll call him the hooded one. And he was in the top middle left. Next up is going to be the middle right, and this one is this is Ben. Alright, so this looks like the older Ben. He's reading something. Yep, top middle right. Next up is the back left from the top. Oh goodness. And it is a Pennywise with the beaver hat. So this one's pretty cool. Pennywise with the beaver hat. He is the 1 in 12 exclusive. Back left. Next up is the back right. It's another Pennywise, and it is the Pennywise with the skateboard. 1 in 12 Hot Topic exclusive. Yeah, pretty cool. 1 in 12. And then now we're going to go to the bottom row. So this is in the front left on the bottom row. And this one is, this is Henry. So this is the Henry one. His name is, his rarity is the 1 in 12. So Henry, so I'll put him there. Alright, next up is the front right. This is the, looks like Georgie with, he looks messed up. This is a messed up Georgie. 1 in 12. I'll put him right there. He's the front right. Next up is the middle bottom left.
This one felt kind of open already. Alright, open up this one. And this is Mike, and he's the 1 in 24 exclusive. 1 in 24 Mike. Put him right there. And then middle, bottom, right. Let's open this one up. Okay. This is the, oh yeah, sweet. This is the 1 in 72 Henry. 1 in 72 Henry, guys. He was in the bottom middle right. Oh, wow. What the heck? Look at the blood on him. Bloody pants, bloody face. This is the 1 in 72, guys. Wow. Can't really see the blood on his shirt, but because it's red, but he got blood on his back. This guy's savage. 1 in 72, guys. Yes. Bottom middle right. Sweet. And then let's do the bottom back left. This one was already open. And this is tilted head Pennywise. This is the creepy tilted head one, and he is the 1 in 6. So he's the back right and the bottom. Pretty sure that this is also the same thing. 1 in 6. Why is this one so hard to open? Yes, another 1 in 6. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing video for the It Series 2 Mystery Minis. Super stoked to have pulled the 1 in 72. It was a common, but still it's a 1 in 72. I hope the weights help you guys out and the layout when you're out there hunting for yourself. If you've already found any of these, comment down below which ones you have found. And if you are missing any, let me know which ones you are looking for. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Later guys.